What is the meaning of the word microwave? As a noun, a short electromagnetic wave longer than infrared but shorter than radio waves. Used for radar and microwave ovens and for transmitting telephone, facsimile, video and data. Kitchen appliance that cooks food by passing an electromagnetic wave through it. Heat results from the absorption of energy by the water molecules in the food. As a verb, cook or heat in a microwave oven. Examples of use: you can microwave the leftovers. Microwave is spelled M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E. Microwave